Hey guys, today we are going to be getting the monkey skin in Arsenal. I've been grinding for the past 2 days to get it, and I only need 9 more. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna get the monkey skin. I might play a few matches after it just to get more time in. So, banana, backstab, and then banana. Oh, we couldn't get the banana. Because the round ended too fast because I joined it late. Yes. Just gonna do Hillside and Concussion Mania. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! See, I only need 9 more for the monkey. Monkey! Monkey time. Monkey. Monkey. We must reject humanity and return to monkey. Alright, I think that should be good. But just in case, I'm gonna get this one over here. And then I'm gonna go on top of the roof. Woo! Ah! Flamethrower. He now has flamethrower. Yay, I have a machine gun now. I best heal the burns. Uh-oh. Ah! Let's try that again. It is hard, especially with close when you get close range weapons in this. It's just garbage. Out. Bigfoot skin. It's ugly. Please, I want an assist kill. Looks like I'm just gonna. Come on. Why is this man being a meanie? How'd I? Oh, coward. Getting me from the back, huh? Yay. Why do I got a new nemesis? This guy only killed me once. I haven't played Arsenal in a while. Like I played it for the last 2 days, but other than that I haven't played it for like 5 months probably. Monkey. Monkey. We'll do one more round after this one. Meow. Banana. Well, I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for that, so no. Instead, we're just gonna do this. Yes. I don't know what I was doing there. It's monkey time. Monkey! Yes! I must equip monkey. Monkey! We're gonna try and win this one. As monkey. It's hard to see anything because of my teammates. But I still headshotted someone. Wow. Hey, Mr. Man. Wasn't even looking at me. How'd I die? No. I don't think we're gonna win this, but still. Yes, monkey. 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 Meow. Meow. Monkey. 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 Ah! Yay, still got him. Oh, this is a good gun. Watch. If there's people here, you just mow them down. Oh. I got killed by another monkey. And Uzi's okay. Meow, meow. Ha! It's, what? Oh, wow. Yes, this is such a good weapon. I'm gonna kill so many people with it. Oh. Unlimited ammo, so I'm just gonna keep doing this. It's supposed to be my kill. I just got hit by a car. Wow. Oh, this is a good weapon. This is good. Oh, come on. Monkey. Alright guys, that's it for this video. And remember, monkey. Monkey.